Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, MF Cooking. Today we're making chili cheese fries. Enjoy the video, remember to like, share, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell to be notified when we post a new video. Let's get cooking. For this recipe you will need fries, ground beef, red onion, yellow onion, green onion, jalapeños, garlic, Colby jack cheese, cheddar cheese, Velveta cheese, cream cheese, heavy whipping cream, beef broth, flour, sugar, Rotel, tomato sauce, tomato paste, salt, black pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, chili powder, cumin, smoked paprika, and cayenne pepper. Begin by dicing a half of yellow onion. Dice about 1/4 of red onion. Mince about 6 cloves of garlic. Dice 2 jalapeños. Shred 8 ounces of cheddar cheese. Cube 8 ounces of Colby jack cheese. Cube 8 ounces of Velveta cheese. Cube 8 ounces of cream cheese. Add red onion, jalapeños, Rotel, Velveta cheese, Colby jack cheese, cream cheese, cheddar cheese, and 1 cup of heavy whipping cream to a baking dish. Bake at 350 degrees for 25 to 30 minutes. In a hot skillet, add about 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Add yellow onion and sauté for 2 minutes. Next, add 1 pound of ground beef. Add minced garlic. Cook beef until brown. Season to taste with salt, black pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, and cayenne pepper. Add 1 tablespoon of sugar. Add 1 tablespoon of flour. Next, add 1/3 cup of tomato sauce. Add 2 tablespoons of tomato paste. Add 1 cup of beef broth. Season to taste with smoked paprika. Add about 2 tablespoons of cumin and about 2 tablespoons of chili powder. Combine the ingredients and allow to simmer for 5 minutes. Once the queso is done, remove it from the oven and mix the ingredients until well combined. Fry fries according to package. Add your fries to an oven-safe dish. Top with queso, chili, and more queso. Bake at 350 degrees for 5 minutes. And there you have it, chili cheese fries. We hope you all enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And remember to tell everyone you know, them MFers be cooking.